Make sure you wash them. Half a cup packed light brown sugar.
Sugar. If you're using the juice, use the zest.
Half a cup freshly squeezed orange juice. 1¼ teaspoon ground cinnamon.
Pinch, kosher salt. Bring it up to a boil, medium-high heat. Reduce to medium-low, let it cook until they burst, 8 to 10 minutes. Once they begin to soften, you can help it along and mash them. Let it cool. You can make this up to 5 days ahead. Cover it with plastic wrap directly on top so it doesn't form a skin, or you can cryovac it up to 2 months into the refrigerator.
Zazou, mon lala, titi, papa, loulou, chéris-moi, nana, voilà, tralali, tralalou, oh mon zou, zou, zou.
How am I getting all this done for Thanksgiving? Here's what I did. I got a little help. Comment, pull up Cooking with Shireen's green bean casserole recipe. Create a grocery list. Only wipe the mushrooms. Don't want to deal with the holiday market madness? Shop it. Comment is an AI web browser from Perplexity. It's like having a free personal assistant on your computer. Add cheddar cheese. I'm going to change it up a little bit this year. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter. 12 ounces sliced mushrooms. Kosher salt. Pepper. Fresh thyme. 5 cloves minced garlic. Saute until you can 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Cook it out about a minute. 1/2 cup Chardonnay. Reduce it until it's almost dry. 1/2 cup chicken stock and 1½ cups cold whole milk. Season in layers. Bring it up to a boil. Reduce to simmer 5 to 7 minutes. Blanched green beans. Don't forget to season the green beans. And 3 cups cheddar cheese. 375 degrees until hot and bubbly. With Comet, now you can multitask like a pro. Prep ahead chefy tips. Thanksgiving edition. For your sweet potatoes, wash them, peel them. No need to submerge them in water. With the lack of real estate in your refrigerator, you can jam these in. You can do this step up to 2 days ahead. For your cranberry sauce, if you need my recipe, comment. Repost cranberry sauce. Can make up to 5 days ahead and suffocate it. So that way it doesn't form